we're going to be talking about importing data. Sometimes it makes sense to add inventory, contacts, or invoices one by one. But if you're new to ArtCloud or have a lot of data, you can import everything at once with in-platform migration or a CSV import. In this video, we'll cover both. To get started with in-platform migration, navigate to Account Settings and then the Import tab. Click New Import, and you'll see a list of supported systems. Select the system you want to import from and click Continue. Depending on the system, you'll either log into your account directly or submit contact information and an ArtCloud team member will reach out. As an example, to import contacts from Mailchimp, select Mailchimp and click Continue. Then follow the prompt to log into your Mailchimp account. Or to import invoices from Square, select Square, click Continue, and enter your contact information so our team can assist with migrating data from Square. You can also import data using a CSV file. Select CSV and click Continue. On the next screen, select your import type. I'll import contacts for this example. Then upload your CSV file. Now match the columns from your CSV file to the ArtCloud property. You'll see that ArtCloud automatically matched these fields from the CSV file. Lastly, preview your import, confirm the information is correct, and click Complete Import. Back on the Imports tab, ArtCloud also has an import template that you can fill out before importing the data into the platform. Open the Download Templates dropdown and select the type of data you want. The downloaded file automatically includes columns corresponding to data points in ArtCloud. This Imports tab also shows a history of all imports. To view a list of records created from an import, hover over a line and select View from the Actions dropdown. And that's it for the Imports tab. With in-platform migration and CSV imports, you can quickly bring your data into ArtCloud.